In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to multiple people in Sendgrid. We'll walk through this inside the Sendgrid dashboard, step by step, so you can confidently send a single email campaign to a whole list or segment of contacts. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Marketing. This is the area of Sendgrid that's designed for newsletters, announcements, and any kind of bulk email, rather than one-off transactional messages. Inside the Marketing section, find and select Single Sends. A single send is basically a one-time campaign that goes out to many people at once. In the top right corner of this page, click the Create Single Send button. This opens up the workflow where you'll choose your template, design the content, and decide who should receive the email. The first thing you'll be asked to do is select a template. Here, you can choose from a pre-built Sendgrid design, pick one of your own saved templates, or start from a completely blank template if you want full control. If you're just getting started, using a pre-built template can save time and help you keep things looking clean and professional. After choosing the template, make sure you select the design editor. The design editor is Sendgrid's drag and drop builder. It lets you rearrange content blocks, add images, buttons, and text without needing to write any code. This is where you'll visually shape how your email looks. Before you dive too deep into the layout, switch over to the Settings tab. Here you'll configure the key details that control how your email is sent. First, choose your From Sender. This must be a verified sender address in your account, which helps with deliverability and ensures your subscribers recognize who the email is from. Next, enter your subject line. Keep it clear and relevant so recipients know why they're receiving the message. Now, the most important part for sending to multiple people is the recipient section. In this area, select the lists or segments you want to receive the email. Lists are broad collections of contacts, while segments are more targeted groups based on filters you've set up. Whatever you choose here will determine exactly who gets the single send. Once your settings are in place, go back to designing the email. Use the drag and drop content blocks to add your text, images, buttons, and links. Take a moment to check mobile views and make sure the message is easy to read and the call to action stands out. When you're happy with the content and the settings, click Review Details and Send. On this final screen, double-check the sender, subject line, and recipients. If everything looks good, you can send it immediately or choose the schedule option to have it go out at a later date and time that works best for your audience.